And they're at the gates, ready for racing. Oh, way they go. Copper Jew jams 40 alert, moving up on the outside. Regal Boom, 3 wide Siras. Sweet Sarah is running by. Then comes Traditional. In between horses, we've got Dancing Polly. Next in line is a Manhattan with 14.5 on the first quarter as they settle. Copper Jew now comes out with a commanding break of 4 in the early part. Sweet Sarah is right behind in second, moving up on the outside. Siras. In between horses comes Regal Boom, 2 lengths further back. In peep comes Dancing Polly. Manhattan alongside Traditional with a blistering pace of 22 on the second quarter as they will down the back. Copper Jew by about 3. Sweet Sarah still in second alongside Siras, then followed over by Regal Boom in fourth. Dancing Polly, Manhattan, Fierce Fighter. In between those two, Traditional, Latiene, Mr. Victory, while Miss Fantastic is running at the tail of the field with 24.5 on the third quarter. Time is running out as the competition reached the part turn. Copper Jew still a solo flight, leads by about 4 lengths. Sweet Sarah trying to get closer in second. Fierce Fighter now in third, and in fourth we have Traditional. Then comes Manhattan, rushing up is Latiene, another 24.5 on the fourth quarter. 3:50 to travel. Copper Jew just in front by about 2 lengths. Sweet Sarah in second. Traditional is on the outside together with Fierce Fighter, but it's still Copper Jew followed by Fierce Fighter. Traditional is on the outside, but it's going to be Copper Jew, Traditional, Fierce Fighter, Sweet Sarah, Mr. Victory, Latiene, Manhattan, Regal Boom, Dancing Polly.